WIS 2.0 provides a framework for WMO data sharing in the 21st century for all WMO members and all the WMO disciplines and domains to embrace the Earth System approach, enable the WMO Unified Data Policy, and support the WMO Global Basic Observing Network. WIS 2.0 is up and running. It is flexible, powerful, and easy to adapt. This video will give you a quick demonstration of how WIS 2.0 works. With WIS 2, a user can search a global catalog. They can subscribe to a topic, for example, all synoptic observations from Italy, on a global broker. They can also receive notifications when new data are available to be downloaded from a global cache. Each data producer installs a WIS 2 node. The node makes notifications of new data immediately and directly available to the global cache and global broker. The global broker subscribes and resends notifications of new data to users around the world. The global cache downloads the new data to these users throughout the global community. It is possible and recommended to deploy a WIS 2 node in the cloud. A WIS 2 node can be implemented in many ways. WMO is creating one way with an open source software package called the WIS 2 box. Users can access data within their WIS 2 box through Python, R, QGIS, Excel, and all the programs connecting to the web API. Standards are the core of WIS 2, and WIS 2 adopts the standards widely used in the IT industry. WIS 2 is already working. We have built a WIS 2 demo infrastructure to show how, with a global cache from Germany, global broker from France, and national WIS 2 nodes, each showing different options for how WIS 2 can be set up and used. Wait, this was in October last year, and we started the pilot phase in December. Now in May 2023, we have 3 global caches, 2 global brokers, 2 global catalogs, and more than 20 nodes sharing data through the global services in experimental mode. Next year, we plan to enter the pre-operational phase and to have WIS 2 operational before the end of 2024.
We've created a platform on the WIS 2 box where we are sharing some of this data. We have shared about a number of stations, and we intend to add more so that we make this data accessible to many more people, many more users that are going to help us in terms of developing new products, new services, new information that can address the needs of the people.
To make sure that no member is left behind, WMO has started training workshops. The first workshop was hosted in March in Namibia for 11 African countries.
Hi everyone, my name is Mchipu Naomi from Zambia. I participated in the WIS 2 training which was held in Namibia, Windhoek. During the training, we were able to access a dedicated virtual machine from our laptops to practice WIS 2 technologies. Zambia has now installed WIS 2 box and is able to share initial set of data from our automatic weather stations as well as manual stations. It's great to be part of the WIS 2 community. Thank you.
Bien, suite à cette formation, nous avons acquis les compétences nécessaires pour installer et configurer le WIS 2 box. Grâce à cet outil, nous avons pu améliorer la collecte, l'échange des données météorologiques de notre réseau d'observation nationale. Cette expérience a été incroyable et nous sommes très heureux de cette initiative. Merci.
Nous avons le plaisir de vous informer que notre implémentation du WIS 2.0 via la WIS 2 box est désormais fonctionnelle. Nous avons participé à la formation en Namibie et nous sommes heureux de contribuer à la formation de nos collègues africains en français.
خرطت المديرية العامة للأرصاد الجوية بالمملكة المغربية في جميع مراحل تنفيذ النظام الجديد لمعلومات المنظمة العالمية للأرصاد الجوية، كما أنها تدير حالياً المركز العالمي لمراقبة هذا النظام. وتعتبر المديرية من أوائل الأعضاء الذين تمكنوا من تشغيل وإدارة WIS 2 بوكس على أجهزتها الافتراضية الخاصة. نحن في الأرصاد المغربية مقتنعون بفائدة ومدى سهولة استعمال WIS 2 بوكس، كما نقدم الدعم للعديد من الزملاء الأفارقة بمرافق الأرصاد الجوية لتفعيلها على الصعيد الوطني.
WIS 2 box software has been installed by many countries on their computers or using cloud services. They can now share the data from their surface stations with WIS 2, and everyone can see the data in real time. using the WIS2 box user interface available on the web. The colors indicate how many reports are sent by each station. The values of variables can be shown in either a plot or a table. The WIS2 box provides a web API for direct access to the data. It also supports fast and easy data access in two ways. Depending on their needs, stakeholders can either download data using the global broker and global cache, or access and work with data on the web. ECMWF will release a significant amount of data on an open and free basis through WIS2. Satellite data flow in WIS2 is the same as other data. A subscriber will receive notification of new data and then download them from the global cache if they are core data, according to the Unified Data Policy, or from providers like EUMETSAT directly if the data are recommended. In the latter case, access control may be implemented. The WMO Hydrological Observing System is being integrated in WIS2. Hydrological data are going to be exchanged soon on the WIS2 global services. At the moment, they are sent on WIS2 boxes for easy access, as well as on Water Data Explorer as part of WHOS. WIS2 box makes the data available through a web API to allow users to use the data from a wide variety of applications and programming languages. All the observation data seen in this map are shared in real time through WIS2 in a pilot setup. This allows users to search on a global discovery catalog provided by Canada and China. Here they can subscribe to the global brokers provided by France and China and get the data from the global caches provided by Germany, Japan, and the United States. We hope to fill up this map quickly with thousands more stations. As a result, WMO numerical weather prediction centers will be able to access more real-time data and improve their forecasts shared on WIS2.